Hi, my name is Maya Weye, and approximately 5 months ago, I wrote this best-selling book on Amazon go-to-market strategies. Things got awesome, but a little bit chaotic ever since. The problem with Amazon is that you are never, ever, ever getting customers' data if you are publishing on Kindle and with Amazon Publishing, right? So the only thing that I can hope for is to get like a little bit of your feedback on LinkedIn or if you subscribe to my Substack. But in terms of understanding how my sales funnel looks like, I'm literally blind at the moment. And the best system that I had in place was this spreadsheet where I am just like manually inputting different numbers every Monday. And I'm trying to explain to my team members what is working in our marketing, what drives the sales. Eventually, we learn to understand some patterns. For example, if we have a LinkedIn post with more than 200,000 reach, that we can sell approximately 100 copies or something like that. But these things are super random, and I need to have better understanding of what is going on in my business. That's why I went and invested in my first productization attempt ever, which is going to be a digital funnel for the go-to-market strategist. And I badly needed to make my analytics work. What I'm doing right now is that I'm reading 10 mistakes you're making with your digital analytics. And I'm just like, I must be making more. But nevertheless, it's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful report. And three things that I immediately recognize that we are doing wrong is first, naming conventions. Because I do realize that we have certain team members that call website visitors users, which is never an ideal situation. And maybe we are not talking about the same things. Second thing is that we should be reverse engineering our analytical system from our large business goals, right? So I always say mission critical. And mission critical for me right now is to sell at least 500 copies a month using the digital funnel that I have invested in. But on Amazon, it's a little bit of a blind guessing. So I'm very excited to kick this funnel and see what is going on there. And just like by knowing that I want to sell 500 copies a month, then I need to reverse engineer how much traffic do I need to generate in order to do that, what the conversion rate could be, because I don't know this from Amazon. And last but not least, what is going to be my customer acquisition cost, what is going to be my lifetime value, and what is hopefully not the churn going to be. And everything like became so much clearer because products are time consuming and you have to invest a lot beforehand before you even make a decent sales, right? So it's very, very, very important to just like make these decisions with much more confidence than this post-mortem spreadsheet that I was using beforehand. I sat down and I literally created this mock-up of what my ideal dashboard would look like. So whether top of the funnel metrics, whether the middle of the funnel metrics, the conversion rates and whatnot, and how people will be interacting with product. It was not saying a very difficult exercise to me for to comprehend, because I have been doing this before for normal products, not book sales on Amazon, but I am increasingly excited of just like embracing these insights to my business, because before we were using a bunch of different local analytics, so Substack, LinkedIn, Amazon, and Google Analytics, on which we couldn't even track purchases because they happened on Amazon. And it got like a little bit messy also when it comes to just like understanding how users are interacting with the product. I want to have much better data than whatever is automatically generated. I sit in Europe, so boogeyman number one is privacy and GDPR and whatnot. And I need to just like have my attributes on a customer much better to slice and dice and segment the data in order to understand what is really working in my business and what should be making like a little bit less off in terms of channels, in terms of user attributes, and also in terms of just like if our offers are good, which ones are resonating the most with folks, and to logically do more of what it works. So wish me luck. I definitely wish you luck as well. And take these 10 mistakes you're making with your digital analytics report by Amplitude for a spin yourself, because I promise you'll at least get one. That's a challenge. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Ciao.